Oh shit, not good.
That was crazy. Just 420? 430?
Jesus, what the fuck?
A ramp.
Fuel is free.
Oh, look at this whole thing.
Let's go. Okay. E-tron is level. Oh, what the fuck? Bro, come on! My car isn't driving. Hello. Now it's driving.
Maybe it was stuck.
Oh no, it's. Oh no, what the fuck? Imagine cruise control in this game.
I don't understand how I can play this map with loads of traffic and not come up right now. I'm lagging out, fuck, no traffic.
I'm 140 right.
Bro, RS4, what the fuck? Yo. How is it possible?
Those slopes.
And why do I have a 130 ping now?
Don't worry.
Yo! The M3 is spitting flames. Nice. Oh, come on.
The F80.
The G81. But he's driving like a maniac and pushing people to the side if they're trying to overtake. No, bro, come on. Be careful, be careful, be careful, R5 crashed. We went right. Oh no, leg. Oh Jesus, come on.
Is that rip? That's kinda sick. Don't lie.
Paul crashed and he said good driver, bruh. Whoa, what the I'm just pushing through. Look who's here!
Hi.
Oh, what the fuck? What? All good, all good. Bro, Gustav, what the fuck? How?
Bro, you gotta see it on this straight. I'll fly
Oh,
past you
bro.
with 400. Watch out. Corner.
Now is full throttle time.
Yeah, hold on. Let's just wait for everybody.
I wanna drive a little bit behind.
Yeah.
I wanna overtake some guys. Bro, what the fuck? How can people crash here?
It's hard to go straight, I guess.
Now my car isn't running again. Okay, let's go then.
Alright. I'll raise this each one.
Oh shit, not good.
That was crazy. Just go straight. I'm coming for you. Oh, that's not good for you. Oh, that each one is fast.
Or I thought this car can drive for 400.
Just wait, Seppi.
What the fuck? Gustav!
Bye bye. 420. 430.
Jesus, what the fuck?
460. Great. Oh,
Bro,
the
my
brake
bro,
stone.
my E92 was oh, I'm still alive. Uh-oh. Oh no. Whoa.
Each one just flies past silently.
Oh. What the fuck?
Fucking Mustang almost crashed.
Oh no! Bro, what the fuck happened? Stokia?
Gustav,
Yeah.
does your brother still have a Cupra?
No, not anymore.
Why?
Oh no. What way?
Yeah, got another car.
Oh,
Another station wagon.
mine broke.
Because of the tune.
Nope, wasn't tuned.
Really?
Nope.
I thought it was. What happened?
Piston rings died.
Dang.
So it was just chucking out loads of smoke.
Ouch.
But sold it. Got something new.
What did you get?
A 340i.
The 30?
Yeah,
330. Oh.
F80.
Very nice. Didn't you have a M140 as well?
Used to. You what?
Also?
Yeah, I've sold that to one for choosing Cupra.
Just wait, Seppi, I'm coming flying past you. I touched the F81. Just wait, Seppi.
No!
I hit the fucking corner, I couldn't drive.
Bro, I'm so sweaty. Oh, just through the station.
Let me wait for you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Bro, I can't get faster than 303.
Ah, let me just take. Yeah. Oh, this car's just stupid. Let me just set the top speed here. Wait, people are far ahead. Gotta catch up.
Wrapped it.
Right, 472 is the maximum. Why so many?
That was me, sorry.
There's like 4 people leaving at the same time. Right?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh no.
472
Bro, someone.
is
Bro,
the maximum.
who the fuck is faster than me? Someone just coming from behind.
What?
Who is this?
Doing what from behind?
Bro, who the fuck is that? Is that white car? Bro, I'm so sweating. Bro, it's an AMG.
Or a brake test from 440 in airplane. Red glowing brakes.
Oh fuck.